Uh, does the professor know that you're having a meeting with him?
Yeah. I have sent the email. Maybe should I send again or just waiting?
Oh, when did you send the email?
1 hour later. Oh no. I mean,
1 hour
before. Yeah.
earlier. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That sounds good then.
Should I send an email again?
Oh, yeah. You can send an email to your supervisor.
Okay. Maybe you can share the screen and show Pin our application.
Yeah, that would be great.
Yes, we improved the front end. It looks more beautiful. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And we implement the min-max normalization for these data. Now it's already.
Oh, sorry about that.
Okay.
Hi.
Hi, Professor.
Hello?
Yeah, we are just going through the new changes from the group in terms of interfacing.
Yeah.
Maybe we can restart.
We modify some of the front end, and it looks now more beautiful. Yeah.
What is it beautiful?
Before, yes, we don't put an effort because we are not sure about the function. Yeah.
Okay. Well, how do you know this is beautiful?
It's
it maybe looks more clean. Yeah.
Yeah, it looks better.
Look, no. If you're gonna claim you change something and make it beautiful or make it better, you need to show me the evidence.
Okay.
Anyway, go ahead.
Okay.
Okay.
And we use the min-max normalization to fix these numbers. Now it's all positive, and yeah.
Okay.
That's what we modified. Yeah.
Okay.
And we also did some unit test last week. Yeah. That's all we did last week.
Wait, unit test of what?
Oh, small functions. For example, this year, this is the min-max normalization function, and we did some tests on them.
Okay, how about other tests?
We'll have other tests later.
No. All the tests on all the websites and stuff.
Yeah, we will test that later.
Later? You're not doing as you go. You're not running tests for everything you do.
Yeah, because we in our milestone, the test part is in the week 10. So in the
no. When you're developing something, you got to run a test every time you change something. You need to run the test. You need to do a regression test.
Yeah, we have some thing like this, and we will write the test report based on the test report. We have some.
Oh, okay. No. Look. You don't do tests just to write a report to write the test report. you gotta have a test running every time you do something. Change the
Yeah.
code, implement something. You need to do that as a part of a part of CI.
Yeah.
Which CI are you using? Which CI system are you using?
GitHub.
Okay, so what kind of actions do you have for running a test?
We usually test if the function works.
No. Which GitHub are you using?
This one.
No, university one or general public one?
Just a community.
No. I'm not talking about community. Which version? Which is that a university GitHub or the regular public GitHub?
Regular.
Okay, so you using GitHub as a CI, not
Yeah.
just a repository. Show me your GitHub then. No, don't show me GitHub. The desktop. Show me the actual GitHub on their site. Okay, so where's the CI? You don't have any setting for the CI. Click the action on the top. Click action. Yeah. Do you have anything there? You don't have anything set it up for CI. You're just using GitHub as a repository.
Yes.
You can use GitHub as a continuing integration tool, but to do that, you need to define actions. So every time you commit something, it runs that action automatically. And a part of that action, you should run the test every time.
Okay.
That's the whole point of continuous integration, to make sure at any given time you have some working version available. So you define action. If it's GitHub, you define action. You can do the same thing and then the other side, like a Bitbucket but you define action every time you trigger that action every time you commit something, and as a part of that action, you define a test task, and everything is passed, then you create the artifact. So then you always have some artifact that actually runs.
Yes.
So that's a continuous integration process. Okay, do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. All right, anything else?
About the progress report. Yeah.
Yes, we want to fit the middle semester project checking and want to get your feedback.
Okay.
Yeah, we have already and some points on here. Do you have some advice to change and also give us some other remarks?
Hang on. So this is provided by the coordinator or?
A coordinator.
Okay. So you just send me an email with this form and then I'll fill in.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Thank you.
We will send you a letter.
It's fine to provide the unit coordinator provide them an empty form, and then they had written down the progress and achievement, and then you can look through and then provide comments to how they are doing in terms of the progress, the obstacles that they are facing, milestones and whatnot.
Okay. Okay.
And
all right.
And then they
just
will
send me email.
Okay.
And then they will summarize your comments
Okay.
to like as part of the submissions.
Okay. All right.
Thank you.
All right. That's it.
Yeah.
That's it.
Okay.
Also, do you have some advice for our next week working?
No, what's the plan? What's on your table?
Yeah, I mean, do you have any other requirements for us to end?
So have you met all the requirements?
We have plans. The plan was test and deploy them.
Okay. How are you going to deploy? Did we talk about the deployment?
Yes,
Yeah.
Docker.
Okay. So what's your next week's plan?
Deploy them.
No, the next week we will do the testing and the deployment in the other week. Yeah.
Okay. So using Docker for deployment, that's fine, but you really need to you do the proper testing. Okay, here the testing doesn't mean just for writing a test report. You got to have actual test process in place as a part of a development process. So far, you don't have that one.
Oh, yes.
Okay, so you need to create that one.
Okay.
Okay. We
Okay.
will, yeah.
Created it better.
Okay, let me ask you, did you actually take any course on the software engineering or software development? Talking about all the testing process?
We are taking it right now.
Which course is that?
DRUC 5618.
5618.
Yeah, we can.
What's the name of the course?
Wait a minute, please.
Who's the lecturer?
Sadi, yeah.
Who's that? Is that our course? Hey, what's the course name?
Is that ELEC 5618?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, well, that's okay. That's electrical engineering one.
Yeah.
It's about software quantity.
Software quality engineering.
Yeah.
So they teach you testing?
Yeah, we are.
Yeah. It's not all about testing, but yeah, part of testing.
What kind of testing did you learn?
White box, black box, like that.
That's it?
At this stage, it is white box, black box, and some of the unit tests.
Regression testing, you didn't learn?
No.
No? Okay.
Many kind of testing, such as unit testing or functional testing, system testing, end-to-end testing.
Yeah, those things you have to do, right? But these days, you have to run the test every time you do something, and you have to keep running all the tests you've done before. You need to keep continuously running same tests, even though you passed before. You know, when you add new thing or when you change something that you passed before might break. So you need to make sure all the tests you've done in the past will still pass. So that's a process you need to follow. And that's why you can't just say, oh, next week we're going to do the testing. You got to do testing from day one. Even when you write hello world, you should write a test.
Yes.
All right. Okay. So I want you to set up a proper testing environment. And if you're using GitHub, you use Action on GitHub. to run a test, which should be triggered by commit.
Okay.
Okay.
Get it. Yeah.
Anything else?
No.
That's it.
That's
Okay.
all. Yeah. That's all.
So same time next week.
Yeah. Same time.
Okay.
Yeah. I will send you email later.
Okay. All right. Okay. Good.
Okay.
All right. See you next week then.
See you.
All right,
Right,
take
cheers.
care. Bye. So are you guys all right with what have been said?
Yeah. It's better.
Okay,
last
cool.
week. Yeah.
Yeah, I think what you're doing is, I think he's pretty pleased in terms of like the normalization and the new interface. But I think one thing that you need to look into would be, as he have mentioned, the continuous integration, which is abbreviated as CI, continuous integration. I guess you don't really have much idea about how it looks like. So you might want to first look up and search up about how to do that in GitHub. Are there any other terms that you couldn't understand during the meeting?
Oh,
Yeah, no?
no.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's good then. So you understand what he wants?
Yes, the CI and implement the test every time.
So every time you commit and push, GitHub will then run all the tests, all the unit tests. It's just basically that.
Yeah.
It will run it in some virtual environment in the GitHub. I have some basic experience with it. I'm not an expert, but if you encounter any difficulty when setting it up, you can feel free to let me know.
That would be great. Thank you.
No, that's all good. Yeah, so any other thing that you want to discuss about?
No.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good then. Yeah, and if that's the case, yeah. So first search up on CI in GitHub. And in your case, you want to search up first how to, so how it happened is GitHub will open up our virtual Java applications and then run all the tests in it. So you want to search up on how to run Java tests in GitHub. So what you would search would be specific for Java because it's a language that you're using.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, so that's about it. Let me know how it goes. And if that's the case, I'll see you next week then.
Okay.
Yeah?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, no problem. Take care, everyone. See ya.
Thank you, Jing.
Thank you.
See you.
Bye.
就我们